Hello everyone, welcome to Adventures Programming. And today we are going to make a Python program to reverse a string without using slashing. Okay, first we will check how to reverse a string using slashing. Okay, so take a string and take it as an input, enter the string here. Okay, and how to reverse using slash. Okay, we just print str1 square bracket double colon -1. It will gives you the reverse of a string 1. So let's run the code. Good. D-double-O-G. Okay. Oh, without slashing, if you want to do it without slashing, then what we have to do, we just take a for loop for I in str1, and here I will take another variable str2 and take it as an empty string. Okay, and I will add every element of str1 and str2 from the last. Okay, so we will do what? I will take I in range from last index of str1. What is the last index of a string? Length -1 means length of str1 -1 to 0. So we will not write 0 here, we will write -1 comma -1. If you subtract -1 from -1, you will get automatically 0. Okay, so here I will write str2 is equal to str2 plus what, uh, str1 square bracket I. Okay, so outside of this for loop we will just print str2 and you will get the reverse of string 1. G-double-O-D, enter. D-double-O-G. Okay, I hope you understand the question. See you in the next video.